Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a really affordable haul. Now this is a haul slash a review because it's from a website from GAMISS that I've actually never had products sent to me from before. So thank you to GAMISS for sponsoring this video. Obviously all of these opinions will be 100% mine, and I would never lie to you guys and tell you that I love something if I didn't. So I'm going to tell you what I think to 100%. And if you aren't already subscribed, buttons down below, and also click the bell button so you'll be notified and you won't miss a single video. So yeah, with all of that said, let's just hop right on into the video. So the first thing I got was a bag, and I think this bag is really cute. I've actually got the plastic on it still, but it's just a simple crossbody black bag with a little gold clasp there, so you can open it, and inside you've got some paper. Inside we've got some room for necessities like your phone, a charger, some money. It's a really nice bag when you don't want to bring a big bag with you, then this is perfect. I'll definitely be using it a lot. It's just a simple black bag basically. Everything came packaged in like this kind of bag, so that's good I guess. So next thing I got was a really cute sweater, and this one is like, it reminds me of Sarah. It's got like zigzag patterns and it's oversized. It's got big arms. It's just a really cute jumper. Just looks like this. I really like it. I will be trying this on in the try on section because this is a try on haul. That jumper actually feels like it's such good quality, so I'm really impressed by that. So the next thing I pull out is a wig, and I actually tried this wig on Twitter a couple of weeks ago. I just haven't got around to filming this video, but I really like it. They do really nice wigs. So this one's pink. I really like having pink hair, and I just wanted to try have long hair. So I really like this. I actually won't try it on right now because then I'll mess my hair up. But you can go over to Twitter to see how it looked on me. I like it a lot. It's really nice. I wish I could have this colour hair. Next thing I pull out is a belt. So this is just a really nice vintage looking belt, and it's flat. The clasp looks like this. It's silvery. I really like it. So yeah, I think belts add a lot to an outfit, so I'd really like to wear this with just some jeans. The quality seems good as well. Nothing wrong with it. Next thing we have here is a Christmas jumper. So I really wanted to get a tacky Christmas jumper that I could just lounge around in, and this is exactly what I got. I really like this. So it's just a green jumper, and it says Merry Christmas with the elf boots on it, and I really like it. It looks like it will be off the shoulder, which is cute, and it's just really soft, and it would be actually a perfect pajama top. Just lounge around the house, watch Elf top. Really like that. Next thing I got is a really cool makeup mirror, which I really needed, especially at my mum's, because the lighting's in my room isn't very good there. So that's why I don't have it here. It's at my mum's, but I filmed it so you can see how it looks. It's just a little mirror which can light up when you click it, so it's touch, and I really like it. I've been using it every morning when I'm there. It gives off such good light, and it's battery driven, which is really good. I got another wig. Now this is a dark brown wig because I just wanted to see how I'd look with dark brown hair. It's medium long, and it's got like wavy-ish hair. I obviously haven't put it on properly. Can't wait to try this. Oh no! Next thing I got is one of these silicone face cleansers, and I actually really like it. I've been using it at my mum's, so it's still there, but I'll insert a picture of how it looks. So it's just basically a cheaper version of those electric face things, and that's the size of it. It came with a charger. I really like it actually, and it wasn't that expensive at all. So basically they have everything on that site. They have home decor, they have beauty, they have fashion. As you can see, I've showed you a lot of different things, and they also had this home decor thing which you can make your own Christmas tree garland out of. I'll insert the picture of it. It's so cute, and I haven't made it yet though. But it's just got all of the bits, and I think that is a really cute little idea to make for Christmas. And then I got one last wig. I don't know why, I just really like experimenting with my hair. Now this is a really long like black and brown wig, To be honest, I didn't think it would look like this with the light brown down there. So I don't know what happened with that. And the last thing I'm going to show you is a really soft Victoria's Secret looking dressing gown. It looks like this. The quality is like stretchy, soft, cottony. Actually, I don't think it's cotton. It says something on the back, I don't know what. Really nice baby pink colour. It's got black detailing. It's also got this so you can tie it around your waist. And yeah, I really like it. So that is that. And this is the last thing I got, but I saved it to last because I don't really like it that much. This is like a jacket, but it's like a cape. And I really wanted to try this out, but I just think it fits a bit weirdly. It's this kind of colour and it's a really long coat. I'm not too keen on this actually. I'll probably give it to a charity. But yeah, it's just a long coat. I actually did a chance when I got this because I was like, this could either look really good or really bad. The material's just a bit flimsy and I don't know, it didn't look that good on me, so. But other than that coat, I actually really loved everything else that I got and I will be using it. As I said, I use the mirror every day. Hello everyone, I just quickly wanted to pop in because I did forget like a few products to show you. And yes, I am filming this on a different day, which you can definitely tell. And the lighting's probably so different and everything, but I just thought I had to mention these things because they're like some of my favourite things. So first off, we have a pair of yellow sunglasses. Aren't these the coolest things you've ever seen? Like, they're round, they got gold detailing, and you can definitely see my ring light in them, but I think they're super cool and I don't really know if I suit them, but I'm definitely gonna try and like wear them maybe. I think they're so cool, like love those, so they're great. Next thing is a pair of brushes. I actually forgot the other set of brushes at home, but I will insert a picture of them. I showed you them in my vlog as well. So the first set of brushes that I ordered were these amazing brushes and they are so cute. They came in a little rose bag as well, but I've got that at my mum's. But it's just a set of like the best brushes ever. They're so pretty. They're like rose gold with a rose stem. And you can get these in different colours, but I just thought the pink ones were super cute. And they just look so luxurious and gorgeous. The brushes don't fall out, so they're good brushes as well. So they just look like this. And the other thing I forgot was mermaid brushes. They're at my mum's. I can insert a picture, but they're also super cute. And you get them in loads of different sizes, like eyebrow brushes and like concealer brush. And that is everything I forgot. So now let's just hop back into the normal video. Bye. So if I do have a coupon code, I'll put it on the screen right now, and all of these products will be linked below, so you can check them out if you want, and don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already. Follow all my social medias, they are always down below. Thank you for supporting me. Here are the shout outs for today's video. I love you all so much. Thank you for being the best, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!